Big picture. Piga cinema. So unatumia bark. Bark ni nini? Kufunga sasa hivi unatumia hii? Hii inaitwa nani in Kiswahili?
Kiswahili?
Yeah.
Ni kamba.
Ni kamba? Hamna bark? Kamba ya miti?
Kamba ya miti.
Sawa. Na ndani kini turu? Mwisi. Mwisi. Sawa. Aya, pale. They malizes. They finished to tie this one up. So they picked a tree. Now they'll hang the hive in the tree. This is the good old African log in a tree beekeeping technique. Which, I mean, it works. Bees come. Then you wait for a chance for the bees to move in, and you can't open it until you try to take honey from it. So it's not too easy to open it. It took them a good 30 minutes to tie them closed. So. Put them up there. And then off to Tumaini, kuna Nyuki and Tanzania. Hapa. Kuna Nyuki. And you hope it becomes like the hive it turns out I'm sharing, which has Nyuki going in and out. I don't know if you can see it at all, but so that one has this one. This tree has it. One in the other tree. So they go out. They find a big hardwood. They cut it down. They cut down the hardwood. They cut it into pieces. They hollow out the pieces, tie them back together, plug the ends with more pieces of wood. Use a stick as a, I don't know, thing to hang it with. Sells a crotch in it, and they hang it. Woohoo! And now they're trimming the tree to make another spot for this one. Sometimes they put bait in or on these hives too. They showed me a good smelling plant they put on last week. And I read that some people put honey in them, put wax, or even pombe, which is the local brew of alcohol. I assume because, you know, bees smell alcohol, they think there's flowers nearby, fruit. They're happy. But there you go. So having a tree. It looks like a tree.